Xiaomi's been putting out true wireless headphones now for almost a year. They started with the Xiaomi Mi AirDots, which was Xiaomi's kind of first attempt at doing this. They then followed it up later with the Redmi AirDots, as well as the Xiaomi Mi AirDots Pro. And the Mi AirDots Pro was Xiaomi's take on a smarter pair of true wireless headphones to compete with products such as the Apple AirPods. And this is Xiaomi's fourth attempt at giving us a pair of true wireless headphones in the Xiaomi Mi Air 2 headphones. And today we're going to unbox it, go over kind of the first impressions of it, and then I want you guys to go ahead and leave me your comments about what you guys want to know about them in the upcoming videos down below. So here with the box, we have a box that is very reminiscent and very similar to what we had on the previous Mi AirDots. Same color scheme, everything. On the back, we do see now that there is a QR code for the Xiao AI, as well as an app that would go along with it. We do have the LHDC, which is the low latency, high definition audio. In regards to the specs on the back, we have USB Type-C. We have 4 hours of battery life. With the headphones, no charging case. With the charging case, we are looking at 14 hours of playback. In regards to the driver size, it looks like it's a 5mm driver. And let's just kind of get into this. Now, I was able to purchase these from a local retailer here in Hanoi. And if you guys are looking to go ahead and pick these up, I will try to find them and use them in the affiliate links down below. Goes a long way to supporting my channel. And if you guys want to go ahead and reach out to me, Twitter is the best place to do so. Just shoot me a tweet and at me so I can get the notification for it. And if you guys want to check out pictures, I'm going to be posting some pictures for this on Xiaomitography, as well as having a full write-up on my website. Now here we are. Okay, we have the box. We have an identical charging cable to what we had with the Mi AirDots Pro, which are these, or the Mi Air 1 headphones. We have some literature for them, and that appears to be it. There's obviously no gel ear tips in these. The preliminary thing that we're greeted with is this charging case. In regards to how the charging case, it's a little bright. In regards to how this charging case compares with the case of the regular Mi AirDots, it is definitely smaller. It's a little bit bigger still than the case of the Apple AirPods, but for you guys to see a comparison, here we go. We have the charging port on the bottom. And this is a very Apple-esque wrapping of these headphones. Okay, now in hand feel immediately. I gotta say, guys, immediate first impressions on comparing these two cases. The case of the Mi AirDots Air 2 feels cheaper than the case of the regular Mi AirDots. The hinge mechanism and the plastic just doesn't seem as nice as it is on here. Now, we do know that they did go ahead and give us a better chipset in these new headphones, and we know that there's going to be updated controls, but still, I don't like that. Now, when we get the actual headphones themselves, okay, this is a thick boy. This is a thick, thick boy. We have headphone connectors in a similar style to what we have on the regular Mi AirDots. And we have a microphone here on the bottom. The plastic that these are made out of, guys, to be completely honest with you, it feels cheaper and lower quality than it does on the originals. And I know a lot of people are going to be angry at me for saying that. Okay. Now I'm running MIUI 11, and we are supposed to have a new animation to go along with this new pair of headphones. And let's go ahead and disconnect this from my current pair. Available devices, Mi Air 2. Now this is for the case, guys, and this is kind of strange. Settings. I don't know if this is a Xiaomi EU thing that we don't have, but right now I cannot change anything that we have here. I can't change these for a different audio codec, which is a little disappointing. Let's see if I can do that in the developer settings. Bluetooth audio codec. Let's see if that's saved or not. Nope. We are back to AAC audio. Obviously, some bugs still with these guys. To be honest with you, a little disappointing, but let's go ahead. Let's put these in. I'm trying to connect and use these guys, but right now I'm on MIUI 11 beta. I should be getting decent functionality out of these, and it's totally possible that we have, you know, features that are going to be coming in later versions of MIUI. But right now, so we do have autoplay pause. Let's listen to some music. Guys, I have these at almost full volume, and because there's no sound isolation, I'm not that impressed. Let's check the latency on AAC. Okay, the latency on these guys is actually pretty good. Obviously, we're going to be having a full review coming soon, but this was just kind of the first kind of impressions that we had on this. Honestly, guys, I'm not super impressed with these right off the rep. But overall, I think that it is a decent attempt at going after Apple AirPods. I need to see better integration, or I need to see a companion app. I need to see something that is going to convince me that these are better in any way whatsoever than these. And obviously, we are going to be comparing these versus these in the next coming days. So subscribe. Let me know what you guys want to see in the comment section down below. And until next time, it's been Mitchell coming to you guys from Hanoi. Peace.